Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have these two discmans for repair. They are identical basically, but the model number is different. So this one is the D40, this one is the D4. And as you can see, basically for all intents and purposes, they are identical in all aspects. Let's start with this one first. So I've tested this one, and basically the problem that it has, so I plugged the power in, and if you can see, when pushing the play button nothing happens unless you push a little bit hard right there, then it turns on. You can hear the motor trying to spin the disc, but there's no disc for the moment. And as you can see, as soon as I let go, it shuts off. So I suspect I just need to clean these contacts right there, because this is what tells the Walkman to work basically when the lid is down. So this angle right here, so that's what's pushing it, and apparently it is not pushing it as it should, or it's just a matter of corrosion in the contacts. So let's start disassembling. So they do have the battery pack in this one, so it's a 1000 milliamp hour battery, 6 volts nominal. Only one screw holding it. Right, so the switch is mounted right here on this little circuit board. So apparently we have to undo everything. So it could be the switch, I'm not sure. Let's hope that did something. I'm just gonna clean them with some alcohol. You should normally use contact cleaner for this. Now let's just put everything back together. Okay, so still the same problem. Alright, so in that case, I'm just gonna add something to this point right here, because the contacts seem to be, I cleaned them, they work. The Discman itself, it works. So I don't know, maybe a piece of paper like this. So just to kind of try it to see if this works in principle, and if that's the only thing that's wrong with it. I mean the travel of this. So, and yes, works perfectly. yeah, so there you go. And the glue is not even dry. Let's just try the CD in it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you it. Oh, it does work. Even like this. I did not know that these discmans could do this. I mean that they could work vertically, because you know it's the old style of discman with the wheel that pushes on the disc on top. But yeah, it works. Perfect. So at least we resolved the problem of this one. So this is temporary. I'll just leave it here for now, but maybe I'll come back someday and I'm gonna try to do a more permanent solution. Even though that this is actually, I could leave it like this indefinitely, and I don't think it's gonna be worn, you know, just by pushing against this little switch. There's basically no resistance, so even this could be a permanent solution. And the next one, so on this one both channels work, and on this one there's a problem basically with the headphone jack. I'm not sure what it's about, maybe it's desoldered or something like that, but we're gonna check it out. This model is actually quite nice. It's quite heavy, it's metallic, it has some plastic in it of course, but you know, quite a nice model actually. It has the line out. And just to show you the symptoms of this one, so for this one, for example, as soon as you close the door and press play, it works, no problems there. But as you will see, so for example, right now only one channel is working. Now none at all. And now both of them are working. Let's get into this one. So is that corrosion? Yeah, I think it is. No. So let me just get it out of here and we'll see the other side. And also, have you noticed that this one has been opened before, because there's no black tape. We have this ground is broken from the laser assembly. This one is quite dirty inside. This is actually just the circuit board. So the intersection of this and this, they interlock basically. This is the circuit board and not corrosion. Alright, so I'm gonna, just for good measure to clean this up, I'm gonna take the circuit board out of here. I don't know where this Discman has been sitting for all this time, but it's quite a dusty place. Okay, let me just give this thing a clean. I'm just gonna reflow these contacts, connection points, and also on the other side. We'll see what we have. Forgot about this wire. I mean, it will work without it, but since the engineers that made this Discman thought of putting it there, then it serves a purpose. It's not just decoration. So it was attached to this metallic bracket right here. Alright, let's just try it to start. Alright, so basically the problem persists. So there's still a problem in this area. I'm not sure what it is exactly. Because even like this, upside down, it's still playing.
One eternity later.
Alright everyone, so I finally got it working after some 1 hour that I've spent on this. At first I thought that there is some broken connection between these three connections and the headphone jack. I even soldered this jumper from this point right here to the other side. So I just put a little ball of solder on the connector and connected it. I thought that maybe that's the problem, but in the end it didn't turn to be it. Finally what I did, I've taken some sandpaper, I've made this little strip of it, and I've put it through the jack like this. And the jack, of course, it comes from the other side. And basically by doing the flossing, you know, you floss it basically, and after that, would you believe it, it was just a dirty headphone jack. Let me just put it together and then we'll test it properly. Alright, so there you go. Basically it was just a dirty headphone jack. That's something I haven't seen before, and I didn't think to clean the headphone jack before going, you know, going any further. But you live, you learn. So I hope you find this useful. If you did, please leave a like, it always helps. Otherwise you can subscribe. Until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.